Existing GoHighLevel user, here we are offering this one-to-one personal consultation call. I'll give you walkthrough with this AI chatbot, the voice agent, and this AI review management, basically everything related with the AI, just to ensure you succeed with the AI solution. Now here's the catch, like you would not have to pay a single penny, because this is not the only bonus that you're going to get. Like I have personally interviewed Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, Varun Varavan, the co-founder. It is on my YouTube channel. We really believe in this product. That's why we are 100% in this, and we are dedicating ourselves to promoting and to making people realize its full potential. Here is the second bonus that you're going to get completely free, and I'm going to tell you the only thing that you have to do, which would not even take 5 seconds. So this is the second bonus set. 127 is snapshot plus. Like you name any of the big snapshot, like the coaching snapshot, the dentist, realtor, med spa, solar, roofing, all in one place folder that you are going to get. And not just that, there is a script and a base snapshot that can convert any snapshot into AI powered snapshot. That means it'll add to your conversation AI and the voice agent AI, and all you have to do is just change the niche, and the scripting can be like, it's all there. The script is there, which can convert any snapshot into AI powered. That's super crazy, guys. $10,000 would be less of a value for the amount of value that you have with this. Not just that, you will have access to my private mastermind, and that means there is an inner circle WhatsApp group, and I'll add you over there. We want this people to succeed together, and that will be closed circle. We won't allow any noise inside. Now, having said that, there is one more thing. The first AI employee client that you'll onboard, if you have not onboarded already, we are going to give you complete onboarding, will be on us. So all of this bonus, imagine my personal consultation, that is like the personal time to each of the person. Whoever enters this code AI bonus, like all you have to do is just go to GoHighLevel account, agency settings, AI employee, click manage offers, and just put the code AI bonuses into FP reference field. Here is the FP reference field, here's the AI bonuses, click apply, and that's it. Everything will be unlocked, because the personal walkthrough would be super amazing, and it can be discussed with the strategy of scaling it. And after that, all you have to do is just take the screenshot of the code that you have entered and email us here, abdullah@abdullahzahid.com, or can privately WhatsApp me here, +971 588 601 057. That's my Dubai number. Guys, I really believe in this. That is why we are on the journey. It's short and concise message, but let me tell you, like if it gets too much of like personal consultation, people can only give to a certain point. So I want all of you guys to utilize this opportunity as long as you have, and like the private call, jumping onto the private call with you without, like, it's not even a paying guarantee for us. Like it's like total, we are spending money on this. We have even created the quick promo video for this, and there are other set of bonuses mentioned along with this. So we really want to get onto the leaderboard of this. We will really appreciate if you help us with that. Watch the quick promo as well. Thank you. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, founder and CEO of Abdullah Zahid Enterprise. I have been associated with GoHighLevel from the past 4 years. As an independent affiliate, I've done interviews of the CEO, Sean Clark, the co-founder, Varun Varavan, super amazing people. It is available on my YouTube channel. Right now, talking about the AI employee, one of the most disruptive revolution that they have built, the AI employee, especially with the coming AI wave. Now, what I've realized is that the people who are going to be using the AI employee have certain hiccups with them. That number one, like how do I understand this AI employee? Probably the ins and outs of individual functionalities and the setup. Then even if I land the client, how will I onboard the client? First, I'll need to learn the functionality. And then how do I scale this to the new height? So we have crafted this super amazing free bonuses for you. Number one, the AI employee course that we are working on, you're going to get it, which will just ease up the process. How do you understand AI employee? The next is one-to-one personal onboarding of your first AI employee client that you land up. So all you have to focus on is get the client, not how do you onboard it. We are going to assign this GoHighLevel expert who will do the one-to-one personal onboarding for you. The third one is the white labeled AI employee video, where you just plug in and all your sub accounts will be able to use and onboard the AI employee. Isn't that amazing? Now, how do you get it? It will be very easy and it won't cost you anything. All you have to do is just go to the AI employee and put our referral code AI bonuses, AIBONUSES. How do you get it? Like, where do you put it? Go to the settings, click on AI employee, click on manage offers, and just put in the bonus within the FP reference field, AIBONUSES, AI bonuses. and click apply. Now, does that mean you'll be start getting, you'll be charged because now you have put the referral code? No, it doesn't mean anything. Like, you would not be charged at all. Whenever you'll be using the AI employee in the future, then you will be charged, your client will be charged in the future. That means anytime in the coming time, and that too, like, you'll be making the profit, because you'll be only charged when the client activates. And when the client activates, of course, they will be overcharged. They will be charged much more, and the difference will be your profit. So in the future, when you are actually using, then you'll be charged. So this referral code that you put, you would not be charged, and you will be eligible to get the bonuses. So I wish you guys all the best. Thanks a lot for watching it, and bye-bye.